This guy says he's sponsored by some surfboard repair company, so he get free stuff at the gas station.
I just signed my first major contract. All right, okay, let's see, bro. Yeah,
I'm trying to get a Red Bull. You got the 2 for $5 deal?
I don't think I need to pay for it because I think that Red Bull is gonna soon.
wants to be owning the nose of my surfboard. Oh, okay. All right, well, let's see this, dude. Red Bull, dude.
Morning.
What energy drink sponsor do you think I should?
There's one Celsius, Monster, Red Bull. Dude, honestly, I'm kind of digging the Red Bull today, bro. Red Bull.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, just get that, bro. You don't want to get the sugar-free one? Okay.
I mean,
Damn, 3 of them?
I think I have to pay.
But I don't know.
Okay, let's see.
Hey, what up? How are you? I just signed my first major contract, so I don't know if I have to pay for these, but.
Thank you. Shut the fuck up. Let's drink, bro. Alright, congrats.
That was pretty weak. Dude, we're on it. We're on it, dude. Look at that right off the rock. Look at that right off the rock.
Oh, man. I don't see shit.
Barbecue sauce, or do you have like a...
Yo, who are you, bro?
And then can I also have...
Jack,